Live from the village of Pulina, and it's the last point up to which where you can board the taxi. The elevation is around 2200 meters. It's a hike of like 3 hours, and the elevation of Gagaria is around 3050 meters. One can easily get accommodation and food here, so lot of taxis and porters too waiting for the tourist. After a hike of 40 minutes, and it was a small ascent of like 200-300 meters, right up there at an elevation of around 2300 meters. So it would take around 2.5 to 3 hours from here. Reached the village of Bundiyar at an elevation of around 2500 meters, and it's a hike of around 1 hour from here. The Gagaria is like 4 kilometers from here, the last village on this route. Now there will be the valley crossing at an elevation of like 2500 meters. So I was enjoying a local chocolate of Tamil Nadu made of jaggery, coconut and cardamom, etc. So that was quite tasty. With some fellow travelers. So last stretch of about 2 kilometers was little bit steep, and from here Gagaria is around 1 kilometers. Beautiful streams making the Lakshman Ganga river, and lot of porters coming down from Gagaria, and weather is getting like it seems weather is getting to be changed. Flow of river is quite above the normal speed, so at an elevation of around 3000 meters. Now the valley opens up with awesome views, with lot of flowers, beautiful streams joining up into the Lakshman Ganga river. As it's around 3:30, bit cloudy, 200-300 meters more from here. So once you will walk up from the Gagaria, there will be a crossing of small water stream, and valley is like 3 kilometers from here, and weather is cloudy and it's little bit raining today. Valley crossing at an elevation of around 3000 meters. Look at the flow, guys. This stream makes the Lakshman Ganga river coming from the valley, and up there a lot of tourists having selfies and photos there. So this is the bridge. From there is a little bit ascent, 50 meters around, right up there at an altitude of around 3500 to 3600 meters, and beautiful water stream joining up into the Lakshman Ganga river. Lot of travelers here, and white flowers are blooming all over the river stream. At an elevation of around 3500 meters. So last 1 kilometer patch is steep ascent from here, so it will take around 45 to 1 hour to reach to the opening of the valley. And in the valley there is a flat meadow, and river bed is around 5 to 6 kilometers from the starting of the valley. Weather is a bit cloudy today and it's raining here. In the valley after hike of around 40 minutes, and the distance is around 500 meters from the stone shelter, so approximately at an elevation of around 3500 meters. Lot of flowers here. So it's an easy walk up to the river bed. Let's see how much time it would take for me to go up there. So this is the views. White flowers blooming up there. I don't know the name, but white flower and pink flower are here common in the valley. So some guys have returned from here as the weather was cloudy. Let's hope it would be clear by 2 or 3. Let's hope for good. So the road has been fully paved off with the stones, and it would not be difficult for any new person even to find the route here, unless it will be whole cloudy. Right up there at an altitude of around 3500 to 3600 meters, and beautiful water stream joining up into the Lakshman Ganga river. Lot of travelers here, and white flowers are blooming all over the river stream. Right up there at an altitude of around 3500 to 3600 meters, and beautiful water stream joining up into the Lakshman Ganga river. Lot of travelers here, and white flowers are blooming all over the river stream.